Just 10 minutes of gentle Tai Chi a day can soothe your back and shoulders, help melt away stubborn fat, and restore a sense of youthful energy and flexibility to your body. Stand tall and gently raise your arms. Lift your knee mindfully, then sweep your arms down as you extend your legs straight back. Keep a steady and stable rhythm. This exercise improves balance and deeply stretches the lower back and hips, gently awakening the body's circulation. Take a gentle breath and let your body relax. Place your hands behind your head to support your neck. Slowly lower your chin, then gently look upward. Move with the rhythm of your breath to release deep-seated tension in the upper back and neck. Take a gentle breath and let your body relax. Rest your hands near your waist, then gently swing one arm forward and upward in a fluid arc. Relax your shoulders and let the movement flow naturally. This low-impact motion helps mobilize the shoulder joints and opens up the chest. Take a gentle breath and let your body relax. Bring both arms out in front and begin turning them together in gentle, smooth circles. Engage your core gently as you move. This calming motion helps lubricate the shoulder sockets and strengthens upper body coordination. Take a gentle breath and let your body relax. Now, reverse the direction, circling your arms with the same fluid grace. Focus on the openness of your chest and shoulders, allowing your movements to feel weightless and serene. Take a gentle breath and let your body relax. Cross your hands gently above your head. Alternately tap one foot forward with light, easy kicks. Keep your upper body stable and relaxed. This motion strengthens lower body stability and gently activates your core and leg muscles. Take a gentle breath and let your body relax. Lift your arms gracefully up to the sky and gently lower them. As your arms descend, lift your chest and slowly tilt your head upward to look at the sky. Feel the deep opening in your neck and upper back. Take a gentle breath and let your body relax. Next movement, step one foot back gently while opening your arms wide to expand your chest. Return to the center and alternate sides. This motion beautifully releases tension in the shoulders and opens up your heart space. Take a gentle breath and let your body relax. Next movement, cross your arms gently in front of your chest, then raise them overhead, drawing a large, smooth circle as they open out to the sides. Let this movement flow with the natural rhythm of your breath. Take a gentle breath and let your body relax. Next movement, clap your hands gently in front of your body, then swing them back to clap behind you. Keep your movements relaxed and fluid. This low-impact exercise stimulates blood circulation and improves shoulder flexibility. Take a gentle breath and let your body relax. Next movement, softly swing your arms from side to side, letting your torso twist naturally with the motion. Keep your knees loose and your shoulders completely relaxed. This is excellent for relieving lower back stiffness. Take a gentle breath and let your body relax. Next movement, gently rise up onto your tiptoes as you raise your arms. Then softly swing your arms down as you lower your heels. Move with a calm, steady rhythm to build lower body strength and improve overall stability. Thank you for practicing with me today. If you enjoyed this gentle Tai Chi session, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let's journey toward a healthier, more vibrant life together. See you next time.